Build! Materials ready! Big day! Scanning area.
Brick delivery! Stacking here. Lift steady. Perfect placement.
Safety alert.
Sweeping fast. Bins ready. Road clean.
Digging deep.
Guiding lines.
Carrying soil.
Perfect depth.
Item detected. I'll grab it. Returning now. Glove safe. Holding steady, lifting high. I'll carry more. Clear path ahead.
Sharp object.
I'll scoop them.
Bin open. Area safe.
Aligning here.
Holding tight.
Fence ready. Great teamwork.
Falling items. Catching them. Securing now. Crisis avoided.
Straightening here. Holding steady. Rods ready. Perfect line.
Mess alert. Sweeping now. Bins here. Walkway clean.
Releasing now.
Leveling tool ready.
Gravel delivered. Even surface. Tool down. Picking up.
Returning it.
Tool saved.
Heavy lift. Balancing now. Loading more. Great strength.
Danger zone. Cleaning edges.
Cones ready. Area safe.
Handle gently. I'll lift it. Blueprint Express. Safe transport. Moving objects.
Stopping them.
Stacking. Buckets organized. Pouring sand. Holding mixer.
More sand coming.
Mixing perfect. Safety alert. Closing it. Organizing tools. Safe again. Great progress. We worked hard. So much done. Amazing day.
Sharp items. Scooping now. Bin open. Area safe again.
Cover missing.
I'll hold it. Securing fasteners.
Bricks protected. Lift steady. Guide left. Rolling clear. Path safe.
Bucket down.
I'll lift it.
Keep it steady. Bucket saved. Items down. Gathering now. Stacking neat. Planks organized. Paper escape.
I'll catch it. Hold tight.
Blueprint rescued.
Careful zone. Signs up. Safety ready. Marked clearly. Tangle alert.
Untangling now. Sorting ends. All neat. Ladder down.
I'll lift carefully. Balancing. Ladder secure.
Items moving.
Stopping them.
Restacking. Sandbags safe.
Lost item. I'll pick it up. Returning it. Helmet saved.
Smoothing ground.
Tools ready.
More soil coming. Level perfect.
Foam drifting. I'll collect it.
Bag open. Foam secured. Rolling danger.
Blocking them.
Stacking. Rod safe. Cone down. Lifting it. Setting straight. Cone ready.
Gathering now. Stacking safely.
Loading up. Area clean.
Lid moving. Catching it. Returning. Good save. Push steady. Holding side. More help here. Alignment perfect.
Slip risk.
Sweeping now.
Bins open. Ground safe.
Sorting here.
Stacking tight.
All done. Great work.
Dust alert.
Sweeping now.
Bins open. Area clean. Tool spill. Gathering tools. Stacking neatly. Tools safe. Moving pallets. Blocking them. Rearranging. Crisis avoided. Line down. I'll lift it. Securing bolts. Sign steady. Loose sheets. Catching them. Tying down. Secured.
Sharp spill.
Scooping carefully.
Bucket ready. Spill solved.
Tilt alert. Holding them. Straightening. Board safe.
Loose hose. I'll coil it. Holding end. Hose ready.
Moving plates. Stabilizing them. Aligning. Plate secured.
Brick tilt.
Balancing now.
Straightening rows.
All good. Loose rope.
Holding corner.
Pulling tight. Tarp fixed. Tool spotted. I'll retrieve it.
Cleaning edge.
Hammer saved.
Slope unstable.
Reforming slope.
Leveling tools. Stable again. Item moving. Stopping now.
Drying them.
Saved.
Hat flying. Catching it. Safe return. Hat rescued. Falling crates.
Blocking them.
Restacking. Crisis avoided. Tool down.
Picking it up.
Returning it. All safe. Items loose. Gathering now. Stacking tight. Buckets organized. Wheelbarrow down.
I'll lift it. Stabilizing.
Saved.
Collecting here.
Neat stacks.
Clean sight. Great teamwork.